Hi everyone, I'm Joe. Today, by the end of this video, I'm sure that every one of you will be able to use Selenium and they will be able to automate his stuff. Okay, his web stuff, okay, because Selenium it's a web automation framework based on Python. You need just to know the Python basics and you are ready to go. Okay, first I did a script. It's a simple script like to automate the things you need. Okay, I will call it automate Selenium automations. Okay, and also a script here for a Chrome driver. The Chrome driver is like um, it's what gives you the ability to automate the browser. Okay, we need to download it and. Here I have a script that download it, check the compatibility with the browser, and then put it in the home repo. How do we get the home repo? We need just like if we're in Windows, we need just to open the terminal, Windows or Linux or wherever we are, we need just to open the Windows, and here we have the home repo. The home repo of our username. Okay, if you are in Windows, you need just to replace this with your username. If you are on Linux, you need to put the path like home slash your username slash Chrome driver. Okay, Chrome driver. What's this? Chrome driver. Okay, great. Okay, save this. Okay, next, what we need to do. First of all, we need just some imports. I already did it for you. We need just to replace the website you need to go through to. I would like to maybe I want to automate my Tinder matches. Okay, I already did it today. I did a simple automation for Tinder that will like login into Tinder, then it will keep swiping people. When we have a match, it will send a message. I will do it like for me every day. I can schedule it in the task planning schedule like this one. This for this one. It's free on Windows. You can like set it to run daily or no whenever you want. Okay, great. What you need this script. You need the second one to download the Chrome driver. This you need to do it only once to download it, and you are ready to go. And you can copy all the content of this script into your script, or you can use just rename the script. And what you have in this script, okay, I have a class that I already built it for you to simplify things with the all you need. It's selecting the elements, clicking, and sending the text. Maybe those are the three functions that you will need. Okay, to start using Selenium as a beginner. Okay, first of all, and this is just to disable some notification because Selenium will return a lot of notification, and I don't want my CMD to get like dirty with all those notifications. So I allowed only the level 2 notifications. I mean the important ones. Okay, secondly, here we just in we create an instance for our driver. It's the Chrome driver that will allow us to control the browsers, our browser, Chrome browser. Here with two parameters, the Chrome option, this one we have a lot of options we need. If we want to add like the option for the headless mode. What means headless? Headless is if you want to run your automation like in in your automation process in the backend. Like you don't want like if you have maybe like a lot of automations daily, maybe you will have a lot of Chrome instances right here, and you don't want to see them. You want them to run in science mode, so you need just to add this option. Okay, I will keep it right here. It's headless. You need maybe if you want like Google more about it, it's very useful also. Okay, here as I told you, you create an instance for the driver, and here you create the instance from our class that contains all the things we need. Okay, maybe if you want, like you can just copy all of those things to your script and just change this and this. Okay, great. Here we start. Okay, we maximize the window. It just to get like a big window. Uh, okay, here. Okay, this is what we need. We have like three functions that we will keep using. It's the pod.click and the and the pod.send. Okay, as you see here, the text. We need like to send the text, maybe the username, or here we click the image and here we select the image. How do we select an image? Okay, I will show you. It's very easy and you can do it your own. We can, as an example here, because we are working with the Tinder. Okay, let's, or maybe Instagram, I have no problem. Let's just copy this link here and let's put it right here. Oh, sorry, I forgot to remove the HTTPS. Okay, great. Okay, here we call the site. It's we need just to do it like for the. It's the first thing to do is to call the site as I told you before. Then we need to select the elements. It's like we need to simulate what we do with our keyboard and our mouse, and the script will do it again and again and again. Okay, for us. Okay, first thing after we call the script, we need to set the username and the password. Okay. Oh, sorry. I just want to open the sorry, I just want to open the inspection elements, then I want in a full screen. Okay, we go inspect, right, as I showed you here. Then we select this arrow right here, and then we go to our elements, we click it, and here we check the type of the element. If it's an input, okay, this is what we want. Because sometimes when we select an element, it will show us like I don't know, something else like this, or I don't know, maybe it happens sometimes. We need to check if this is what the thing we are looking for. If we want a button, it will be here a button, okay? Those are some HTML tricks, okay? What we need to do is to copy the XPath. What is the XPath? The XPath is like an ID for the element. It's what makes Selenium knows what to do, where to go, okay? It tells Selenium go here. Okay. It's like checking the mouse to this place and like keeping it here. Okay. Okay. Great. Here we go and we click and we just paste it. Okay. I recommend to put the ID, the XPath into a single quotation because as you see here, we have double quotation inside, so it will like gives you some problems if you put it into double quotations. It's just for you to know. It's good for you to know. Okay. And there, after what we need to do, should we click it? No, we need just to, because we're already selecting, we need just to send the username. Send and the text. What is the text we will send? I will send my username. Okay, I will just type. I will type my username. This is my username. Oh no, sorry, I forgot what is my username. Lamo. Okay, great. Let's see if this is working. Run the Python file. Okay, okay, great. Okay, I should see it. Oh, great. As you see, the script put the name here. Okay, it's very good. We just what we're gonna do, just duplicating these things. We'll copy. Oh, sorry. What we will do now? I think you already know what to do. We need to get the next thing. We need to select this inputs. Great. Copy the XPath. Great. We go back right here. We select this. Great. That nice. Okay. And here we type a passcode. Maybe I will type something. Just some tests. Okay, just to test. Okay, let's now go and what we do after we set the passcode, we need to connect. Okay, here we select the connection button. Okay, great. We copy the XPath. This is very, very simple. It's very simple than drinking a cup of water. Okay, here and now, I think, as you already know, it's not an input to send a text. We need to click it. Okay, great. We just click, send, click, element. Those are the three things you need to know, and you are ready to go. Easy wheezy. Okay, we save. We're in the Python file. Okay, let's see if those things can work. I think it will work great. It's awesome, but oh, you see, your pass because I have my browser in French. It told you that my passcode is incorrect because for sure I didn't patch my password here. Okay, just like for testing, like just to give you an example how easy it is and how everyone can like start using it and like automating their web stuff and their what I don't know what maybe you have a daily task to do. I have a lot of them. I really like I have five five daily scripts of Selenium scripts that I run daily. They really saves like I don't know maybe 2 hours work. They save it for me and maybe I can learn in this time some stuff, some new stuff, or do something while the scripts are doing the work for me. Oh, it's really great. Now, okay, this is the class. Maybe you can, if you know some, if you are like you want to know more about this, you can read this class. You can change it by I don't know if you are using maybe if you are using headless mode, if you want to download something, you can just call this function enable download headless. Maybe you can add more functions to this, like more functions. I don't know, like the option functions. Maybe there is a lot. The screen functions. There is a lot of functions in Selenium. I just told you about a little. Maybe if this video gets a lot of likes and people like wanna know more about Selenium, I will put like some daily videos about this and like to like will help you to master Selenium and that to be like way more good to it and like make some advanced stuff. So just like if you really like the content, please hit the subscribe button. Please, if you want to help me, please like and put a like down. Put a like and the comment down below, please. That's really helps me to do more. And if you have any problem with the script or you have anything to add, please you can like either contact me on GitHub or my email is down below in my GitHub account. So have a nice day. See you later.